So much, Rebecca. We do have that fog. She was talking about some of that gold coming up. Fog advisory was earlier. They expired it because it's not as widespread, but it sure is patchy.
Yeah, and starting to see some of it redevelop, and especially in the downtown area, a little bit more foggy now than when I came in earlier.
Yeah.
So right now in Nashville, we're starting this morning with a mostly cloudy sky, a little bit of fog out there for us for the beginning of our morning, and we can see some of that on our camera from here at the station. 69 degrees. You can see the state capitol there and the top of the Snodgrass Tower, despite some of the fog that is out there for us. So we got some fog out there now, and a couple of showers are a possibility. Hit-miss showers, but there may be a rumble of thunder embedded in that, and then those rain chances going down as we head into the afternoon. Meanwhile, for tomorrow, a mostly cloudy start to the day, clouds decreasing. That'll set you up for the good weather for Friday night football. Round 1 of high school playoffs tomorrow night. Meanwhile, into the weekend, if you've got plans or headed to a game, just keep in mind there are some rain chances picking up into the weekend ahead. Right now, there is our morning weather map. So this frontal boundary got into the area and is now just taking its own sweet little time trying to get through. So it will drift a little bit more to our south, but that's helping to keep a few showers in the area for us out there this morning. Mainly rain, but every now and then there might be a rumble of thunder in association with this for us as well across the Mid-South. So there are some of the rainfall estimates, not as much to the east as we've seen in our western areas. Later today, we'll see 68 Hopkinsville because of the position of that front, upper 60s to our west-northwest, pushing near 80 in our southern and southeastern counties. Meanwhile, an update on Raphael. There's been a little bit of a shift in the track of this. So it did hit Cuba, and unfortunately it hit Cuba as a major hurricane, a category 3. But right now, it looks like it's just kind of moving to the northwest. So instead of moving toward New Orleans or Texas, the current track, and again, this isn't set in stone, so it could change, but this track may sit toward Mexico and then maybe even drifting southward a bit too. So something that we'll watch, but with this track, Nikki-Dee, maybe some showers, but not a direct impact at Texas or Louisiana.
I mean, that was a big shift in the way of that track, Leland, for sure. We'll keep an update as things do develop. Today, rain chances very low. In fact, what we're seeing right now on the radar are some of our better chances. You'll notice as we go throughout the afternoon, right only around 20%. So it's kind of like taking that damp paintbrush and truly giving it a quick flick, and where you get some isolated activity. That system will eventually move southward and fizzle out. And as it does, that's when you'll notice a little more clearing taking place, even some sunshine areas south of I-40, a little more cloud cover to our north, and that's where temperatures will be slightly lower and a little higher as you get down to our south. Tomorrow is anticipated to be on the drier side, a little more sunshine moving in with winds coming in light for once out of our north. So that's some drier air filtering through, but it is very limited and sticking around because as we make our way into Saturday, that's when clouds increase. And then by Saturday late morning, we've got showers. We've got a few embedded thunderstorms that will be back with us. And you can tell by this model run, it is looking to be nourishing. Yes, finally a fruitful system that's going to move in and not just be limited in location to the west. This is actually going to spread its way across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky as we head throughout our Saturday afternoon, and even some lingering showers and a few storms overnight into early parts of Sunday. So how much are we talking? Today, quick spritz. And then we look to have better rain chances Saturday and Sunday, looking to have 1 to even 2+ inches. It's all about where do we get these lines that really start to bring that nourishment. Your 7-day forecast, highs today, 73 degrees. Few showers will be with us. Winds pretty light as we do go throughout the day. A few gusts will be embedded if we do encounter a thunderstorm or two, but this is basically a rain event. Tomorrow, sunshine returns as well as those mid-70s with winds coming in out of our northeast. Tomorrow, things are great. Then we head our way into Saturday. That's when we're going to have better rain chances on and off. And that continues and lingering even into parts of Sunday, Leland.
Yeah, so highs in the low 70s for both weekend days, low 70s early next week. Rain chances drop a bit Monday, Tuesday, but then we'll keep an eye on another front that could up those rain chances going into the middle of next week.
So